Hello there, this is Kat from Your AG, and today I will help you set up the Lloyds Cardnet Connect plugin on your WooCommerce site. Before we start, please have your license key, store ID, and shared secret ready. Now, I have here our support test site ready. So without further ado, let's go ahead and install and activate the plugin. First, please navigate to Plugins and click Add New Plugin. And then please click this Upload Plugin button at the top and choose the file. And continue the installation. Now, let's go ahead and activate the plugin. Here, please go ahead and enter your license key to complete the activation. Alright, there you go. So, welcome to our setup wizard. But right now, you can skip this part as the setup is really straightforward and very easy. So, you can click I don't need help setting up this time. But if you encounter any issues along the way, you can always go back and use our setup wizard. So, let's click this. So, this is our plugin settings page. Now, let's go ahead and enable the plugin by ticking this checkbox here. And then let's enter the store ID and shared secret on the specified fields. Next is the store status. Here, it will depend on the credentials that you are using. Since I am using our test credentials, I will stick with the test environment. Now, if you have the live store credentials, please use the live store status here. And if you don't have your test credentials yet, you don't have to worry. You can always contact your account representative and request it, okay? All right, so the next thing that we will be selecting is the operation mode. Here we have two types, sale and pre-authorization. So for pre-authorization, this will put orders on hold until payment is captured, while sale, this is the most used type as this will immediately charge the customer. So I will stick with sale and then I will save the settings and don't forget to do that as well. All right, so after setting up the plugin, please log in to your Lloyds Cardnet back office with the credentials provided to you by the Lloyds team. Now, once you're logged in, please navigate to customization and then click this define the URLs for the integration with your online store. And then when you click that, you will be prompted next to this page. So here I want you to make sure that these three checkboxes here are ticked, and you can leave this URL fields blank as this will be set automatically in the background by our plugin. Okay, now once you're done checking this, one last thing to do is create some test order to make sure that we have successfully integrated the plugin on your WooCommerce site. So let's go ahead and add an item to the cart. All right, proceed to checkout. So I already filled this out earlier, so we can continue paying using Lloyds Cardnet. And I have copied our MasterCard number. We actually have other test cards that you can use, which are accessible on our website. So you just need to go to documentation, okay? Now we are already on the payment form. Let me go ahead and fill this out quickly. For the expiration date of the card, you can choose any future date and any card code or CVV as well. All right, so let's continue. Let's just wait a few seconds here. All right, so we have a successful test order. Now, once your tests are successful too, you can confidently go live. Now, what if I encounter an error or you encounter an error? If there's an issue, you can talk to our team by filling out our support form on the website. And we would love to assist you, okay? So this is it for now. Thank you for watching this tutorial and you have a good day. Bye.